What's up guys? This short video is all about accessories for your Tesla that I found on Etsy. If you are not familiar with Etsy, in general they are an e-commerce store that sells mostly handmade items. You'd be surprised with all the cool things on their website. All of these products are made in the USA and support small businesses. While all these accessories I found are 3D printed, they surprisingly work very well and are not expensive to buy. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, welcome. Let's get this video started. The first product I found on Etsy is this handy trunk loop extension. If you installed a trunk liner for your Model 3 like I have, the loop to get to the lower trunk may be difficult to access as Tesla did not make the loop big enough. Even without a trunk liner, it can be a hassle to use the small loop. Fortunately, this trunk loop extension solves this problem. Simply thread the extension through the loop and snap on the other end of the 3D printed piece. Accessing the lower part of the trunk could not be easier now, and it will not interfere with the opening and closing of the trunk lid. This simple yet highly functional item is a must-have while accessing the trunk compartment below. This next item complements the trunk loop item I just showed you before. Working together, this Tesla trunk hook slides into the ceiling of the trunk. We are now able to utilize the loop in a second form by attaching it to the extension hook, therefore holding up the trunk lid to access your items below. These two accessories combined makes accessing the trunk compartment a lot easier, and it only takes less than 2 minutes to install both. No screws or glue needed. A big shout out to Jason Osborne for creating both these accessories. If you have ever had a problem where someone disconnects your cord while charging at any of the J1772 chargers, you know the frustration. This premium 3D printed lock slides right over the top of your Tesla adapter, preventing anyone from disconnecting your charging cord. This is a must-have item, especially if you solely rely on public charging at J1772 stations. It comes in a variety of colors and will work on all Teslas. I want to thank Adam out of California for sending me this item. This 3D printed sunglasses holder works on all Teslas that requires no tools. It easily attaches to the car's sun visor, offering a simplistic solution to store your sunglasses. This accessory also comes in a variety of colors and again is made by Adam out of California. If you are an Apple AirPods user like me, you may want to check out this Tesla mount that fits inside the center console to wirelessly charge either your AirPods or AirPods Pro charging case. I really like how it incorporated the Tesla logo inside of the mount. Again, this comes in many color choices and will work with both the Model 3 and Model Y. In some states, both license plates are required on both the front and rear of the car. Me living in the state of Georgia now does not require that I attach a plate to the front of my Tesla. If you do, however, I would highly recommend this license plate holder called the Snap Plate. It's completely 3D printed and the installation requires no drilling of holes into the bumper of your Tesla, but rather snaps onto the grill down below. Just turn the circle below to loosen the clamps, slide it into position, then turn the circle back to tighten the mount to the vent grill. I found it very secure even without installing a torque screw on the side for added security. It's very well designed and completely made in the USA. They sell this license plate holder for all Tesla models, including international locations. Thank you to Every Amp, previously known as Living Tesla, for sending me out this item. Next we have these Tesla charging cable organizers. The seller Jason on Etsy creates some very handy 3D printed products. Made in Phoenix, Arizona, this wall mount and charger cradle are a very nice addition to the garage when using the Tesla mobile charging cable like I do at home. They both come in a variety of colors and include a set of screws that mount to the wall. Depending on the location of your charging outlet, I find the wall mount works great for longer distance, while the cradle works great for an outlet closer to the car. Either one you choose, they are both excellent quality and Jason is quick to ship these out. Finally, I added this high quality Tesla charging sign for my garage. It's made from reflective thick aluminum and is identical to the ones you see at the Tesla superchargers. This seller is out of Buffalo, New York and makes these Tesla signs in a variety of sizes and styles. I hung this up right above my charging cable organizer. I think it will look very nice once I have my garage painted. If you want to see more accessories that are not just from Etsy, be sure to check out my other videos for more cool items I found to complement your Tesla. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content in the future. Until the next video guys, stay safe and I'll catch you on the next one.